you've heard everything I've said so far, and you still want to buy one of these things. How can you go and protect yourself and do your due diligence and make sure you're buying a site that's clean, or maybe easily cleaned, cheaply cleaned, and not one that's going to be a nightmare for you later on in the remediation process? Well, like all commercial real estate due diligence, you want to get a phase one environmental site assessment done. So this is a document review, a history review of the property, a review of the relevant state or federal databases, where an environmental specialist is going to look at that property and try and figure out if there are any uses or risks or concerns in the property's history that might indicate there's some kind of contamination. Now, if the phase one comes back with no recognized environmental concerns or RECs, then generally they don't recommend for a phase two. However, if sites like the ones we're talking about, it looks like a gas station, it quacks like a gas station, it's probably an old gas station, the phase one's generally always going to come back with a recommendation for a phase two. Now, phase one is relatively standard, but the phase two is based upon the scope of contamination that may be suspected. On a smaller site, a phase two might just be limited to soil bores, where they're going to drill into the ground, take soil, water samples, send them off to a lab, and review the test results.